Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together.
For card 3, I wanted to make a gift card holder. I have this little doohickey. This is a handy little die I got, I can't remember when, about 2.5 years ago, I think. And it's just for cutting into your card to make the loops there to put a gift card into. So they literally pop up and you can slide a gift card into them. Such a handy little tool. I think this was actually a gift from one of my daughters, if memory serves me right, but I thought it would be a handy thing. You could do this yourself by just cutting a little opening using a craft knife in your card, but I'm going to get to that in a moment. First of all, I have this piece. It measures 8.5 by 5.5 and I've scored it at 4.25. That is going to give me a American A2 size card, and I thought that would be a really handy size for putting a little gift card in. Now you can see where I have die cut that out. It's at the front of the card, but I don't mind because I'm going to hide that. I have some holographic gold cardstock that I got from Amazon many moons ago. So you can put a matte layer, whatever you like, down there. This measures 4 by 5.25. And then I have a piece of the pattern paper that came in the kit. And this piece measures 3.75 by 5. Now, I want to put a lovely little message, and I'm going to stamp the gift of giving. That's what we got in this stamp set in our kit. I'm going to stamp the little gifts here inside as well, and I may just take this and stamp it on the inside here where our gift card is going to be in very, very light ink. The tags that I'm using here to embellish are tags from Lizi's website. They're 10 dies. They were from the October add-ons. So again, links in the description to Lizi's website where you can find them. There are 10 nesting dies and they are a great size. The largest one measures 3 inches by 5.5, a little over 5.5, a little under. Yeah, about 5.5 for the largest one. And then the smallest one is just over 1.25 inches by 3/4 of an inch. So they're lovely sizes for embellishing a card or just for making gift tags. I'll be using these, the large one, to make all my gift tags for Christmas. So I have taken this one here, and it's not the largest one. It's the 4th one in from the outside, and then I've gone down another size again. I'm going to add the two of them there together. I'll probably put them at a jaunty angle, and we got some lovely ribbon in our kit, so I'm going to add a piece of ribbon to that. I'm going to stamp the gift of giving on here, and I'm going to pop my little pile of gifts on the front as well. And then inside we'll do some stamping. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to do that. I'm going to do my stamping, glue down my mats and layers, and then I'll come back to you. So I've stamped our beautiful large stamp down on the inside, and now I want to move it down so it continues down. I'm going to take some low tack tape and put that across the bottom, and then I'm going to take the actual cover off the stamp set and use that to help me line up the stamp. I found this is the best way and gives the best results. And there we go. There is our third card using the Love from Lizi Christmas Ballet card kit. You'll find links to the products that I've used down in the description down below, and links to the kit as well. I've used this beautiful stamp that came in our card kit, and I think it'll just embellish, and you'll see that in the pictures here at the end, the inside. So that's it. I'm going to leave it there, folks. I'm going to have card number 4 coming to you really soon, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, click the subscription bell so you won't miss the next video, and until next time, folks, I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.